why I'm always in the dark for time. You see, as you can see, I have a lovely window in the roof. Yeah, look. Thank you very much for everyone that has been reviewing my, well, no, watching my covers. Thank you very much indeed. I'm going to do something a bit silly, but you know me by now. Okay, here goes. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your dad is rich and your mom's so good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings you're gonna rise up singing. Ooh, spread your wings and take to the sky. But until that morning, there is nothing that can harm you. With Daddy and Mommy standing by. Do 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 do. Oh, fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your dad is rich and your mom, she's so good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Don't you cry. Yeah, it's just a little bit of a little bit my performance on Monday night. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that very much. And I'll be doing Eric Clapton, Wonderful Tonight. Yeah, that's on YouTube. That's on YouTube. Yep. Do very well with the views. Can't understand. You're watching me, little me.